I'm here outside of a really great place that I've been going, and it's been keeping me healthy in America with all the toxic environments that we have. And it's called Restore, and I'm just going to go in. Coming in for my daily infrared sauna, and we're going to talk to a few of the people who run it here. Hi. And this is the staff right here. So I'm going to just turn. All right, can you introduce yourself and tell us some of the services that are offered here?
Absolutely. My name's Tatum. I'm one of the guys that works here. So we have a couple services. We work with medical services, esthetician services, and our core services, which are focused on rest and recovery. So some of those things are like cryotherapy, near infrared light therapy or photobiomodulation, compression therapy, and sauna. We have an infrared sauna that we really love.
Okay, great. I have done it and I love it. I've done the infrared and the sauna. In fact, I'm here for my sauna now. And that's where they put the compression on you and people lounge around there. And then I had some vitamin shots that really helped me when I had a really bad cold. That's back there. And then I did the infrared rays. No, what is it called? The red light therapy,
Yeah,
right?
red light?
Did the red light therapy, I like that. And then of course I do the sauna every day. So this is the red light therapy I did. You stand in there for like 15 minutes and it, restores collagen. It's really good for open wounds and things like that. So it does a lot of really good stuff. And then I'm going back to the sauna now, and they have a great sauna because it also has a shower in it, which is so nice. And then they have red light there. So I highly recommend Restore, and I'm in Louisville. Bye, ciao.